Sickle cell is a genetic disease caused by a specific change in a gene from both parents. This means that sickle cell starts in your genes. Genes are instruction manuals for your cells. They tell your cells how to function, divide, and what proteins to make. If you have a change or mutation in your genes, it may cause a change in the way that cell or protein functions. Genetic changes may cause a cell to not function properly, or to create proteins that do not function properly, leading to the symptoms and complications of disease. While not all changes cause disease, such as the genetic change that affects a person's height, some do. In the most common form of sickle cell disease, a change in both copies of the HBB gene causes the cell to make an abnormal form of hemoglobin called sickle hemoglobin instead of normal adult hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a molecule found inside red blood cells that carries oxygen to your organs. Unlike normal adult hemoglobin, sickle hemoglobin molecules can change to an abnormal shape when they are low on oxygen. This change in shape causes the sickle hemoglobin molecules to stick together. When there are many sickle hemoglobin molecules in the cell, they can form long, rigid chains called polymers in a process called polymerization. These polymers cause red blood cells to become sickle-shaped, rigid, fragile, and sticky. Many sickle hemoglobin molecules in the cell and their subsequent polymerization are the ultimate cause of sickling in red blood cells, as well as the associated symptoms and complications of sickle cell disease. These sticky red cells clump together, stick to other blood cells, and stick to blood vessel walls to block blood flow. This is called vasoocclusion. Vasoocclusions can lead to unpredictable acute complications like pain crises or a stroke. Vasoocclusion, as well as sharp, jagged sickle cells and the leaked out contents of broken cells, cause blood vessel damage. Damaged blood vessels can impact the ability of organs to get the blood and oxygen they regularly need to function, and can lead to complications such as kidney disease. Sickled red blood cells also break apart and die faster than healthy ones, leading to symptoms of hemolytic anemia such as headache and fatigue. Repeated blockages, blood vessel damage, and hemolytic anemia over time lead to the progression of chronic complications, often causing significant organ damage and even organ failure. As you can see, sickle cell can impact many parts of the body even if you or your loved one aren't experiencing any symptoms.